Yo guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to get eSign on all iOS devices, all iOS versions guys, on any iPhone, any iPad guys, and basically you can get any IPA files straight to your device. It's super easy to do guys. You don't need a computer or anything for this. You can do this straight off your phone just using your browser. It's honestly the simplest method to get eSign onto your iOS device guys, or on iPhone 17, whatever you guys are on. It'll work flawlessly, okay? Like this works on iOS 26, 27, iOS 18, basically all versions, all devices guys. It's honestly the best way to get any IPA files and sign any IPAs out there right now guys. I got it running absolutely flawlessly. I'll just show you guys the icon and everything. So there it is, eSign guys. And yeah, I tried so many other methods to get this and to get it without any revokes and to be able to sign apps without any errors or anything like that guys, without any issues or bugs or problems. And this is honestly the only way it actually worked, okay? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this eSign app installed on your iPhone or iPad instantly guys. It's like a two-step process, or like a 2-minute process, and like I said, you don't need a computer, no jailbreak or anything is required, and it works on all versions of iOS and Android, all versions of iOS, all iOS devices, and it's great guys. So yeah, basically guys, you can inside load anything with this, get any IPA files and sign them immediately guys, and like I said, you won't get any revokes. You can fix revokes with this. It's honestly crazy guys. So let's get into it and let me show you guys how to set up eSign on your iPhone or iPad right now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, like I said, all you need is your browser for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop open our browser guys, and we're going to head on over to here. Okay, so just get this typed in guys. Just get this typed in to your browser guys. That's where we're going to get this eSign app, and you just hit the go button. And once you hit the go button guys, you want to just search eSign. And once you search eSign, you guys want to just, so there it is, you want to just tap on that guys, and so there it is, get eSign for all iOS and Android devices. So you can also get it on Android, which is pretty cool too with this method, but anyways, this is mainly for iOS users. So anyways, so there it is guys, you want to just tap on that, and once you hit that button guys, you want to just hit the start button. Now once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. Once you're at the setup wizard, you want to do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do, because basically when you get these apps and do their instructions, it initiates a file transfer to your device for all the files for that eSign app. Within a few minutes, it will load onto your device. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what their instructions say to do. Honestly guys, I recommend just doing all of the apps from the start, so that you don't need to keep going back and doing it over again. I mean, it's honestly the best way to do it. That's what I did, and it worked flawlessly. Otherwise guys, just do the apps, do exactly what their instructions say to do. Just be patient with it, don't rush through the steps, and just make sure to do exactly what each individual app's instructions and steps says to do, okay guys? So that's how to get eSign on iOS, iPhone, iPad, on all the latest versions of iOS guys, and how to install and set it up and get any IPA files that you want and sign them with no revokes, and basically side load any apps guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. But like I said, just don't rush through the steps or anything like that, and just take your time and be patient with it. Okay guys, so see you guys in the next video.